Welcome back to the channel, people. I'm here with a brand new video again. So I've just had a walk down Newcastle and I've come across this old car show. Came down for a loaf of bread and this is what I found myself in. The old cars. Good job you had my camera on me when I came down. So I'm going to have a look round, see what we can see. Oh, a police car. Old cars. These are very old. Some of these cars are old. Some Jeeps. What does this notice board say? Can we see? Sun's shining on it a bit. I think that's where it's been. Different places. A bit windy. It's a bit windy today. Some hot dogs here, hamburgers. If you want anything to eat. Little store here, selling old car parts. What are these here? Something on the roof. Canbury. I did see it. I had to walk round here very early. And I did see a Delorean from Back to the Future. Well, I'm going to have a walk down there in a minute anyway. And I've just done up here. Lots of people down here. Lots of people down here walking around. Yeah, some old classic cars. It's a nice one, the green one. I think I did see another police car up here somewhere. What it was I don't know what it was. It was like an old-fashioned one. Or come from somewhere else. It's just up here. Just down here. Yeah, so yes, lots of people walking around. Quite busy actually. That's where I saw that police car. Somewhere here. No black and white one. Is it that one there? Can we get to it? Police. I haven't seen one like that before. Don't know where it's from. Is there any more down there, what I can see? Can't see any more down there. I'll have a walk back up. Have a look at that Delorean. 6TR. See what there's up here. I think there's 120 cars altogether. Castle Classics, old car show. Says a bit windy. It's a good job I had my camera on me really and my microphone when I came out. I think the wind will be cutting some of this sound out. Let's get out of that wind. Can we get out of it? Some more old cars here. There's so many. See what's up here. Roebuck Shopping Centre. St Euden. This one's got writing all over it. Yeah, this is where I've seen that Delorean somewhere up here. And an old... what is it? An old gangster's vehicle. Somebody like Al Capone would be driving it. 1920s. If I can find it. I've got a bit of a cough. Some more cars here. What does that say? Ford Perfect 107E. It's a nice car, the red one. That Delorean somewhere up here, what I've seen. From Back to the Future. If anybody's ever seen the film. Which I suppose you have. Somewhere up here now. Another little mini. I think they have this car show every year. Or he's the Delorean. It's got a closer look. Have a look inside. Now Delorean. Wonder if it goes 88 miles an hour. From Back to the Future. I don't think this is a real car. It's just a car really. It wasn't in the film. The Delorean. Well, let's make our way back up. DMC. There's some nice cars here. Some very nice cars. This where I saw that car, that old car, the old gangster's car. This black one here, you'd have somebody like Bonnie and Clyde. You'd have somebody like Bonnie and Clyde riding in that. This one here, an old gangster's car. Somebody like Al Capone and his people. Probably 1920s or 1930s. Mustang, Ford Mustang. And there's two of them. police car. I was going to ask him to have a look inside that, but he's closed the door. So that's about it, guys. Quick look around the classic car show in Newcastle-under-Lyme. And I'll see you all on the next one. Over and out.